So let's analyze EURUSD. So I'll be starting from the monthly time frame. So from the monthly time frame, if you can look at the charts from here, that will be from 2018. We can see that price has been falling, and right here price gave us a major break of structure. Right here price gave us a major break of structure right here, and then price just reacted from a monthly order block. So we are expecting to be selling. We are expecting to sell EURUSD from the higher time frame perspective. So that being said, we go down to the weekly time frame to see what we have on the weekly time frame. From the weekly time frame, we can read structure very well. Let's see. From the weekly time frame, we can see that after we had this break of structure here to the upside here, which was the highest point of price, which was the most recent structure. Price gave us change of character, and now price has been consolidating around here. Price has been consolidating, but we are expecting price to react from this weekly order block, which is still to happen. So right now price has been consolidating between a particular range. You can see that from here. Let me use a zone tool instead of let me use a zone. So price has been consolidating here. I'll use that as green. So price has been consolidating between that range. Now how do I know price has been consolidating? We can see price already gave us a couple of touches around that level. So this is what we have from the weekly time frame, right? That's what we have from the weekly time frame. So we'll be expecting price to fall massively to the downside, but what I'm anticipating is that price will break above this zone and then sell to the downside. But then I am a day trader, so I do higher time frame or top down analysis, or I do analyze higher time frame to make sure I'm not trading against a higher time frame key level. So we'll go to the daily time frame, which is where we'll be looking at things. From the daily time frame, there's nothing much to look at except for the fact that we had a couple of buys to the upside, and then we started selling. So it is possible after price gave us this touch here that price should come down, but price is currently buying up since the open of the day. So that being said, we'll go straight to the 4 hours time frame where we'll have structure to analyze. So from the 4 hours time frame, this is what we have. This is the structure we have from 4 hours time frame. I can refine this my level to this, right? And yeah, that is it. So from the 4 hours time frame, what we can look at, although price is ranging, we want to read structure on 4 hours time frame. Like price is ranging, but we want to read structure on 4 hours time frame. If I should start from here, you see that price was giving us higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, rather lower highs, lower lows, sorry. Tapped into that level again, came back down here, went up. So price kind of was selling, tapped into this level, went back up, gave us this low, tapped into this level, and then gave us this structure, this, then this, then this, right? So what I can read from that is, when price came down here and reacted from this level, it also reacted from an order block level right here and bought up and gave us this break of structure. So this is a most recent structural break, this or break of structure. This is a most recent break of structure here, most recent break of structure, that's it, in price. And this is the origin or the order block which caused the break of structure. And what happened, price is actually reacting from that order block, although it wicked out, kind of like a liquidity sweep. reacted from that other block and tapped into this other block here, because there's another other block right beneath that. This is it. That's where price reacted from, and price is buying up to the upside. So, and for the past couple hours, price has been buying. Why is price going? Where is price going to? Where is price really going to? So I can look at this to be where price is going to, right? This is where price is going to. Let me put it as my other block. Let me just change the colors. So this is where price reacted, and this is where price is going to, right? And I cannot have a clear structure here to enter a buy on this market. So I'll go down to the 1 hour and 50 minutes to get a clear structure to enter this buy and ride this market up to this level before I look at price reaction. So I'll go straight to the 1 hour time frame. From the 1 hour time frame, this was the other block. Price tapped into it, or price is still to tap into it from the 1 hour time frame. But that being said, we'll work with 4 hours other block. Right, from the 1 hour time frame, this is it. Price tapped into that level, and from the 1 hour time frame, our narrative has shifted. What price is actually looking at? We can look at this from the 1 hour time frame. I think let me go first down to the 15 minutes and look at what I can have on the 15 minutes. From the 15 minutes time frame, the other block has shifted to this. It's no longer up there. This is where we're looking to reverse price. When we look at the market is not giving us any clear structure to enter a buy in this market. It's not giving any clear structure. And when we look at this from 15 minutes time frame, price is still to take out that other block. Price is still to react to that other block, although it did on 4 hours, but on 15 minutes price is still to react. So what I'm anticipating price to do on Euro USD is that we buy to this level and then sell back down to this other block, or even right up to this area of support right here. So I'm not going to be doing anything on Euro USD. I'm going to be waiting on Euro USD, but I think I'd like to wait from the 1 hour time frame, because I'd like to look at my confirmation from. I'd like to look at, this is the other block right here. Price is still to react to it. So I'd like to look at my confirmation from the 5 minutes time frame. So I will use the 1 hour time frame as my guide. So this is my other block on 1 hour, and we're still to react to it. So this kind of give us something like an equal low liquidity right here. We have like some kind of equal low liquidity which price have to sweep again. I think what will happen is that price will react from here, and then straight will sweep this liquidity down and then continue going up, since we are currently ranging from the weekly time frame. But I'll be waiting for price to get into this level. When price get into this level, I'll then use 5 minutes for confirmation entry to sell this market to the downside. What do I want to see on 5 minutes? I want to see market structure shift like this. I want to see price giving me these levels, right, as it's going up, tap into this, and then give me a market structure shift, and then react from the demand or other block, and I'll be selling back down. So this is what I'll be looking for on the 5 minutes time frame. The moment price taps into this 1 hour order block. So this is my analysis on Euro USD. I'll be looking to sell Euro USD. This is my analysis on Euro USD. What do you think? If you have any question, if you have any suggestions, drop it in the comment section. This is my analysis on Euro USD.